you're outside?
What difference does it make?
Are you taping? Did you say good morning? Good morning, viewers. It's Jerry and Susan. Robert's videoing from the Baler Family Farm channel. We are tarping our Baler. Which way do you want to go?
You go straight back.
Probably set it up on the...
Huh? What are you doing?
I'm getting my other end.
Why? Okay. Take this in. See? Go set it up over there on that thing.
Or there. That's what I was...
Or over here.
Yeah, sorry. Can you turn it off?
Okay. All right. Climb up on the wheel here, Lee. Over there. And then lift this up and over. The wind will help us to get up there. Just go over your head so your body kind of... Keep doing it. It's working good, Lee. Okay, grab the thing, Susan. The wind to stop. All right, let's see. There's a bunch of forks out there.
Yellows and long oranges.
Where's that board? Here, put this one in. Leave that one. Something over there so we can... If I kind of tighten it up somehow. You want a shorter one, Susan?
Yeah.
Or here, Lee, grab that green.
The blue one?
Lee, grab this green right here.
I got
Here,
it.
underneath the tire, down below the tire. Pull it, give it back to you. How's that? Is that good enough? Here? Okay. Here. And here. I think that. Good. This is good. Give me another cord. Here. No, long way. Make a long one.
Long one?
Yeah, that's right. This one doesn't work. Keep it. Use it.
Use rabbit.
Keep it. There.
So here's the board. This wedge needs to use.
In the board.
It's right here.
It's underneath. No, I'm good. There you go. That's lovely. As long as there's no flappy ass edges around, then it won't. The wind shouldn't be able to catch it and rip it up. You know.
Right. Well, this is the north side.
This is the good side, right?
You got it pretty good. And then don't worry about the east.
There's no grommets that aren't used, so that should do it.
And the only other thing is this could be caught from the east,
Well,
but
it could be pushed up by here, just to hold that edge down. You can go around it. That grommet, but I can't see it, so you have to do homework to get it. All right, so the reason we're doing this is to help protect the belts from the sun, because sun sun rot the belts. That way we don't have to replace the belts so often, and hopefully it'll preserve it to make it last a little longer for us.
and also keep the rain off the belts.
Keep the rain off, the sun off.
And the snow.
Because we want this to last us a few years, and I prefer not to have to do any whole lot more repairs on it. Anything else?
I think that's it. So thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that thumbs up, please.
And just to let you guys know, I don't know what this looks like. Let's see. Where are y'all at?
Well, out here.
Okay. Just to let you know, we're at a little over 500, just a few over 500. But as soon as we get to 1,000, we're not there. You go. As soon as we get to 1,000, we're going to do a 1,000 giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and you don't have to watch every video. It's just all it is giving us support that we have subscribers. So we'll do a 1,000 giveaway to when we get that 1,000. I'll let you guys all know how close we are. All right. Thanks for hanging on.